Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to create a sub account for your Bitget profile. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the profile icon at the top right. It is right next to the search icon. Click on it. Well, once you do, these things will open up. From here, as you can see, there are lots of options. But for now, what you guys need to do is simply scroll down. And right here, you can see the sub accounts tab. In case you don't find this, what you guys can do is simply click on the top button here, and as such you will be redirected to the dashboard, and right here on the left hand side, once again you can see the sub account. Click on it, and guys, that is it. From here you can simply create your sub account. At the rightmost section you can see the create button. Simply click on it. Now from here you will be provided three options. You can create a virtual sub account, a general sub account, or custodial trading sub account. Select whichever you wish. For now, virtual is good enough for me, so I'm simply gonna click on it. Now it's gonna ask me to add my sub account name along with the note, though the notes are not necessary. But now I'm simply gonna add my sub account name. Well, as you can see, I have added it. I'm not gonna add the notes right now, and I do have the option to create an API. I'm simply gonna toggle on this button, and the process is quite same. I have taught you guys this as well. I'm simply gonna do this right here. Well, this is okay with me. I'm simply gonna enter the notes, and as you can see, I have filled out everything, so I'm simply gonna hit on create, and that is it. Once you've done that, well, as you can see, you need to provide verification on all of these. I'm gonna do it right now. Once you've done everything, simply click on confirm, and that is it. Well, as you can see, I have created a virtual account. That is it, guys. As you can see, the sub account has been created. That is the gist of it, guys. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.